Good morning, students. So, today we are going to begin the next part of this chapter, that is types of self awareness. See, students, there are two types of self awareness. First is external self awareness, and the other is internal self awareness. External self awareness means what? It requires understanding how people perceive us. Means in self awareness you have to require one understanding कि what others are perceiving about you. Means दूसरे आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. This is the meaning of perceiving others. So external self awareness often surfaces in situation when people are at the center of attention. For example, while giving a presentation or talking to a group of friends, when you are standing on the stage to give any speech, or you are standing on the stage, or you are in your friend circle, you are doing any discussion, in a group discussion you are participating. Okay, so at that time you get what? Self awareness. Means you are very conscious what others are perceiving about you. So people who have high degree of self awareness, that can be categorized as प्लीजर्स. मीन्स अगर आपके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा यू आर कॉन्शियस और यू आर अलर्ट अबाउट सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, देन यू मे बी कैटेगराइज्ड एज व्हाट? प्लीजर्स. मीन्स यू टू प्लीज अदर्स. They are aware that their actions and behaviors are being evaluated. Means they know whatever they will speak, whatever actions they will do, that will be evaluated by others. So they often behave in a socially acceptable way. External self-awareness can also cause people to become distressed. See, many times students, what happen? Those who overthink about external self-awareness, in that case they can also become distressed or anxious or worried about how others perceive them. Many times people think they become too much conscious, or they become worried ki what others might be thinking about them. Next is internal self-awareness. See, this type of self-awareness represents how we see our values, okay, passion, aspirations, thoughts, feelings, behaviors, strengths, weaknesses, and their impact on others. So children, in this internal type of self-awareness, हाउ वी सी आवर वैल्यू, मीन्स हमारे अंदर जो वैल्यूज़ है, या वॉट एवर पैशन और एस्पिरेंट और योर थाट और फीलिंग्स, वॉट एवर थिंग्स यू हैव, दैट ऑल shows that your internal self awareness. For example, feeling nervous when you realize that your teacher has caught you lying. Okay, that is internal self awareness. When the teacher catches you and you are caught red handed and you are lying something, in that case, that is an example of internal self awareness. High job and relationship satisfaction, personal and social control, and happiness are some of the positive aspects of internal self awareness, whereas anxiety, stress, and depression are some of the negative aspects. So when you overthink about internal self awareness, that will lead you to anxiety, stress, and depression. These are the negative impacts of internal self awareness. To become more self aware, we must ask ourselves these three questions every day. So if you want, means we need to become more self aware, in that case you have to ask these three questions to yourself. First question is what went well today? What did not go so well? How can I be smarter tomorrow? So you need to ask these three questions to yourself if you want to be more self-aware. First question is what went well today? Means throughout the day you should put this question in your mind कि आज आपके साथ दिन भर में क्या अच्छा हुआ. And what did not go so well? What all things happened that did not go well? Suppose in a day you are getting a lot of appreciation from your parents or from your teachers, so you can say this all things went very good in my today's throughout the day, in my today's in one day of your class, you can say. Or if you ask the question what did not go so well, in that case what you can say, that what all things happened as such what did not please you. मीन्स ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें रॉन्ग हो गई आपके साथ, सो यू फेल दैट नो दिस डिड नॉट गो सो वेल. Okay, in case you had you have a fight with your friend, or you have any argument, or you do any misbehave in, or you suppose you misbehave in the classroom, or you get your internal assessment marks in your class today and you are not satisfied with the marks, so that all things will, you can say that these things did not get so well today. How can I be smarter tomorrow? Another question you can put is how you can be more smart tomorrow. So, Dr. Urich and her team identified 4 leadership archetypes, each with different set of opportunities to improve. Okay, so this we are going to continue in tomorrow's video, because this chapter is not going to get over in one class, because see, this is Dr. Urich and her team identified 4 leadership. So I need to explain this also, and then this chapter is remaining. So in the next video we will complete this chapter. Okay children, and till then please read the chapter and try to get the answers also. So in my next video we will complete the chapter as well as the assessment part also. Okay, till that time, goodbye and take care of yourself.